Meaning of decoder.
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 Decoder. The term decoder is often used in the context of information processing and refers to a device or algorithm used for translating encoded data back into its original form. A decoder works by taking encoded input and transforming it into an output that represents the original data. For example, an audio decoder would take a compressed audio file and transform it back into an uncompressed format so that it can be played back. Decoders are essential components of many modern technologies, from computer networks to digital entertainment systems, and play a critical role in ensuring that data can be efficiently transmitted and processed.